Welcome to this guided meditation for root chakra healing. A quick reminder that this meditation is best experienced with headphones. Now let's begin. Begin by finding a quiet, comfortable place where you can sit or lie down without any distractions. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in. And slowly exhale through the mouth. Another deep breath in through the nose, filling your lungs up with air. And this time as you exhale, exhale with a sigh. Last one, deep breath in. As much air into your lungs that you've had all day. And exhale with a sigh. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm and allow your body to relax with each and every breath, feeling more at ease, more comfortable, more relaxed. As you settle into this moment, bring your attention to the space that you're in. Feel the connection of your body to the ground beneath you. Whether you are sitting or lying, imagine that your body is grounded and supported by the earth. And let go of any remaining tension you notice you're holding in your body. The tension may be in your head, your jaw, your temples, your neck, your shoulders, your arms, your hands, your stomach, your hips, your thighs. Any remaining tension, allow it to fully relax. Allow yourself to simply be present. Now shift your attention to the base of your spine, where your root chakra is located. This is the energy center of stability, security, and grounding. Imagine a warm red light glowing at the base of your spine, filling you with a sense of strength and a sense of security. Now with each breath, see this red light grow brighter and brighter and brighter. Imagine it spreading down through your legs, down into your feet, and down deep into the earth. Visualize the roots growing from the soles of your feet, burrowing deep into the earth, just like the roots of a tree. These roots are strong. These roots are steady. These roots nourish you, and these roots reach down to connect you with the solid, stable energy of the earth. The earth, this center of the core, is solid, it is stable, and it is connecting you to the very feeling of stability, security, and grounding. As you breathe in, feel the earth's energy rising up through your roots, grounding you in the present moment. And as you exhale, release any feelings of insecurity, any feelings of fear, any feelings of doubt back into the earth, letting it go, letting the ground absorb those feelings for you. Now we are going to repeat some affirmations. You're welcome to repeat these silently in your own mind. You're welcome to repeat them with your own mouth and your own vocal cords. Whatever resonates with you the most. And as we breathe in, I want you to allow yourself to feel the power of these words. Each affirmation helping to balance and strengthen your root chakra. I am safe. I am secure. I am supported. Feel the power of these words fill into your being. I am safe. I am secure. And I am supported. I trust in the process of life and know that I am grounded. Feel the power of these words fill into your being, helping to balance and strengthen your root chakra. I trust in the process of life and I know that I am grounded. I am worthy of love, stability, and peace. Feel the power of these words fill into your being, helping to balance and strengthen your root chakra. The red light at the base of your spine. I am worthy of love, stability, and peace. I have the strength to overcome any challenge. Feel the power of these words, and as you feel the power of these words, notice the red light at the bottom of your spine become brighter and brighter. I have the strength to overcome any challenge. I am connected to the earth and to my body. Allow this affirmation to help balance and strengthen your root chakra. Allow the red light at the base of your spine become brighter and brighter. I am connected to the earth and to my body. Imagine you are standing at the center of a beautiful forest. The trees around you are tall, strong, and deeply rooted. These trees are not new. They have been here for centuries, and they are ever so tall and strong and deeply rooted. Feel the earth beneath your feet. Feel its soil. Feel the grass, the solid and unshakable earth, that of which you are standing upon. And picture this deep red energy of your root chakra glowing ever so brightly at the base of your spine. Now visualize a gentle, warm light coming from the center of the earth. And as it comes up from the center of the earth, the core of the earth, it begins to rise up into your feet, up through your legs, and into your root chakra, into the base of your spine. This light is filled with strength, stability, and grounding. And you allow this energy to fill you with a deep sense of peace, a deep sense of security, and a deep sense of self-esteem. With every inhale, feel this earth energy rising and filling your body with a sense of stability. And as you exhale, release any remaining fear, knowing that here in this beautiful forest, you are safe and you are supported. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room that you're in, while keeping the grounding energy of the earth within you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch gently, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Take a few moments to sit with the stillness and the peace that you have cultivated. of security and stability with you throughout the rest of your day. I am grounded, secure, and at peace. I trust in myself and the support of the earth beneath me. Thank yourself for meditating. Thank yourself for taking the time out of your day to care for yourself, to love yourself. And thank you for meditating with me today. Remember, you can always come back to this meditation whenever you are feeling anxious, ungrounded, or disconnected from your own sense of security. This place will always be here for you.